So guys, I have to tell you, I'm gonna get another story. So I will tell you a different story then. That you remember the Desert of Doom stories? I think you remember. So you have to listen to me. I will be. So
Hi guys, I'm going to tell you a story.
okay. The Ice Emperor and the Good Girl. Once upon a time, where it's green, the workers work together. They have secret powers. They turn into animals. So they all have their animal forms. But Pentaro and Kita are young ones, and their father. The young ones had not found their form. Two of them just not found their form. Then Pentaro just threw a snowball through his sister, and his sister was really mad. So Pentaro's sister said, "Ugh, what are you doing? Don't tell me you're super nervous." "No, I can see it in your eyes. I won't take it. What if I'm not ready?" "You are ready. You have your animal forms. And when the day comes, we'll finally have our animal forms." "I told you I'm really not ready. Trust me. We will run into the forest all night and night. I promise." The week passed, but she's really mad, and the past had came, but Pentaro and Kita's anxiety had not. So Vex, the ice soldier, just come. He said he will take the animal forms with him, but the father of Kita said, "You are a fool, Vex. Get out of our land, enemy. Hiya! You will regret this." Vex returned to the forest and never come back. So Pentaro and Kita packed everything and said goodbye to their father and the villagers. They waited and waited. Come to the land, different lands, desert or snow. They come the mountain. So they reach north. Then they pack and sleep. But Kita noticed he would turn angry like Vex, and he would defeat the villagers and his father and Pentaro. When Kita woke up, Pentaro, his brother, were not there to sleep, and he heard a voice say, a loud voice said, "Akita!" So he followed the voice, and he found a white wolf in the clouds. So he chased the wolf, and he can step on clouds. So he captured the wolf. Now she turned into the wolf. Then the Akita see a bear. When the bears see the mark, they notice Pentaro was the bear and Akita was the wolf. Then they go back to the camp. When they go back to the camp, Pentaro and Kita just see that Vex and the Ice Emperor and a dragon just returned and froze the people They try to protect the village, but they lose. Kantaro was nowhere to be seen, and Akita left the village without turning back. She won't return someday. When she go to the Ice Emperor to defeat the Ice Emperor, but the Ice Emperor vanished, and Vex was in prison. Peace returned, and Katari and Akita just united, and the king was restored to his throne. His people and my people were released from their curse, and Vex was vanished to the Outlands. Peace returned to the Neverroom. The end. Thank you for watching. See you soon.